Hi everyone, here's a personal Kanban pro tip. It's about digital detox, scheduling periods throughout your day where you have specific time where you take a break from what you're doing right now, which is looking at somebody on the screen or something on the screen, lots of screen time. I myself have 2 or 3 different digital detox points throughout the day. One is when I'm cooking. So when I'm working on the grill or out in the yard working with food, I do not take the phone with me anymore. So I literally use it as a digital detox point. The second is that at night when I go up to bed, I will read for an hour, which helps me get my mind out of all of the blue light from the screens and get me ready to go to sleep. And I found that since I started to do that, I sleep much better. I actually have dedicated cards or dedicated spaces on my personal Kanban or other visual controls to remember that those specific digital detox points happen. And you might think that you can stick around and say, hey, I don't need that anymore because it's become a habit. Every habit lasts as long as your overload. So when you're overloaded, habits go right out the window because you don't even have time for a habit. So make sure that you're visualizing the digital detox you wish to see.